So guys, welcome to the hit show and randomizer. Okay, first we're going to start out with the hits. Start with the big one right at the top. Manziel, autograph, redemption. James Wilder Jr., Stephen Morris, Zach Martin, Mike Campanaro, Dion Buchanan, Dry Archer, Sammy Watkins, another big hit from the Bills. Freeman, numbered 33 out of 49. Andre Williams, Bishop Sankey, also numbered 31 out of 31 out of 99. Anti-Teo, can't go one box first, I'll get him something anti. That's going to be on eBay, along with that Steeler card. Chris Smith, Scott Crichton, extra points, prestige. Sorry about the prestige video getting cut off, I lost connection. Apologize, there was multiple people watching live. If you'd like a confirmation on what was pulled, I can give you their emails, you know what you want. Again, sorry. Next card, Taj Boyd. Pretty plain path, but it's possible. And Derek Carr. Derek Carr. Also, this came out of the prestige box. Nice big old Derek Carr. Alright, we're going to do some randoms for the random cards. We got Redskins. First, we're going to randomize off Heaney, 150 points, being up for random. Go to our list here. This is for rewards of 150 points. If you do not want it, let me know. We'll do a random again. Alright, the random. I have 1 through 10 in the cards right here. That's how I do it. So I'm just going to mix them around and pick them random. This one 10 times. This will be random 10 times. Alright. Good luck. 10 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. And the last one. Boom. Goes to the Jaguars. That one's going to the Jaguars. Alright. Now, for the Cowboys and Redskins. Cowboys versus Redskins. For the Cowboys, Redskins. The first one is just going to be to bring up the list. The first one doesn't count. Alright. Back to the cards. Next round. This one. 5 points. 5 points. So good luck to Cowboys and Redskins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one's the Redskins. Well, the first one didn't count. This one belongs to the Redskins. Congrats. Next break is going to be some 2014 Inception, possibly mixed with some other stuff. So check it out, guys. Appreciate you guys joining the Solo Sports Club. Watch breaks. Thank you.